Hello student, a warm welcome to in this educative video. Today I am going to teach you the class 8th science, crop production and management. So what we have today, now we are going to see crop production and management. So what is the various agriculture practices we are going to see here. First, preparation of soil. In the previous video I taught you. Second, sowing. What is the meaning of the sowing, children? There is the planting the tree. It is called the sowing. Adding manure and the fertilizer. Adding manure and fertilizer, it means the seed we have, after that we add in it few, there is the manure and the fertilizer for their good nutrition. After that there is the irrigation. Irrigation, it means we put few, there is the water after a fixed interval, and sometime there is the different interval, it is there is the irrigation. After that we use the protecting from, there is the weeds. Yes, as we know, weeds, it means the undesirable, unwanted plant, it is called the weeds. And how the weeds are controlled, protected by the few chemicals. There is the control the weeds. After that the harvesting. Harvesting is the method that is we use when the crop is ready, and there is the, after that the cutting the crops, that is called the harvesting. After that the storage. Yes children, when the crop is ready, after that how we keep it the safe, how there is the we store, so it is called the storage. How we keep it the safe place, it means it is called the post harvest method, post harvest phase, it is called then. So one by one we ask here. First we are going to see various agriculture practices. Sowing, it is today I am going to teach you. See, sowing. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, the good quality, clean and the healthy seeds of a good variety are selected by the farmer for the good yield, and it is used which give the high and best yield. So this activity by I show to you by an experiment. First children, I want to show with a very small activity. Kindly focus here. At first it is called a beaker. I take this beaker, I pour in it few little amount of the water. After that I take a handful few seed of the wheat, this wheats, this grain I put inside the beaker. Yes children, after that I am stirring it, and during the stirring few questions raised in my mind. What will happen after few time? Few questions raised in my mind and definitely in your mind also. So after the few time we see what will happen here. Children, now further we are going to see few questions and their answer we are trying to see. So let's see further. Are these seeds, whatever I have done the activity, are these seeds which float on water? Second question, would those be lighter or the heavier? As we know children, once we pour in the water, few things dissolve in that, maybe the seed of the wheat, maybe the seed of the moong, either the any. So this may be the heavier It may be the lighter, all there is the not sink in the water. So why? What is the basic reason behind that? In few are there is the damaged seeds become hollow and are thus there is the lighter, therefore they float on the water. So now our experiment, that is there is the ready. Here children, are you watching? In this beaker few seeds are floating upside, few sink the downside. Whatever there is a floating, there is the upside, that is the hollow seeds. In hollow seeds, it means they are the damaged seeds. Whatever there is the totally sank into the water, that is the good quality seed. And this is the best practical, this is the best experiment for the selection of the good seeds for the good yield. So most of the farmer select this experiment. Now let's see the further floating seeds and other seeds we had seen. Now we talk. Here is in this picture first, kindly you concentrate. This is a good method for separating good healthy seeds for the damaged one. This picture shown and I have done also the experiment. Now further we proceed. Traditional tool. Yes children, here we talk about the tools. We have selected, here is the seeds. Now further, which type of the tool we used? Here the different type of tools, especially we talk first the traditional tool for the sowing of the seeds. The seeds is shaped like a funnel, and there is the seeds are filled into the funnel and passed down through 2 or 3 pipes and having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. How children? I want to show with the small diagram. Suppose it is the shape as is the funnel. This is the funnel and here is this side is there is the very pierce. So where there is the here put the seeds. It is the old and traditional method. Most of old ancient time the farmer was using. But children, it have the advantage that for there is the sowing. But it have also a one disadvantage. While children, because suppose there is the uneven surface, so all the seeds are not properly can grow for this method. That is why there is the latest time is change, modification. So that is why the science invented more new method. For example, here is the seed drill. We talk about the seed drill. Yes children, seed drill is the latest and modern method. Nowadays it is using seed drill. It is used along with the tractor. So first I want to show you the diagram of the seed drill. It is a tool, seed drill. This is, and here is the, there is a aiding with the tractor. Seed drill. Nowadays this seed drill is used for sowing with the help of the tractor. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance. Yes, it is the main thing children. It is sowing there is the uniformly. It means the same all the place. No gap, no there is the place, there is the leaf. Uniformly at the properly depth. It means there is the inside properly go all the seeds one by one. And soil after sowing the protects seeds from being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill save time and the labor. Yes, this seed drill children, it is the main time saver. And not only it is the time saver, while it is the saver the labor. It means no need to extra person for doing the work, and no extra person means there is the no need to give the extra wages. So that is why it is the latest in the modern technique. Now let's see the further. We had seen the traditional tool, seed drill. After that we talk about the further activity. Sowing we have seen, further things we had seen. Now further we talk about the adding manure in the fertilizers. Adding manure in fertilizers, it means add few substance, that is the nutrients, and this manure in fertilizers that give us the good quality of the crops. How, children? I want to show you with an activity. What is the activity of that? I am going to show you. Here, children, by a simple science experiment, I want to show with a activity. I take, here is the three type of the vessels, A vessel, B vessel, C vessel. In A vessel, I put few minerals, I put few fertilizers. In B1 there is a few manure. In C1 there is the nothing, I add anything. After 7 to 10 days, after a few time, we get few changes. We see the few changes. A having there is the good crops, good yield, good variety. B have also having there is the crops grown, but it is not there is the properly. And C there is the no properly growth, as you can see. So children, by this activity, what is the result come? Now I want to ask you, and few questions also raise. What happened to adding the manure and to adding the fertilizers? Now we are going to see it. See further, traditional tool, good manure. After that, some technical problem. Now we are going to see seed drills adding this activity. Growing seedlings with manure in the fertilizers. A, as I shown, there is the good crops. B, there is the moderate. And C1, there is the very few. So by this, did plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace? First question. Children, definitely you are thinking, what is your answer? What I am thinking, that is your answer? Yes, answer is the no. All the same place, there is the glasses not grow. No yield, there is the properly grow one by one. Now second, which glass showed better growth of the plant? Definitely this experiment, as I told, glass A have the best growth. In which glass was the growth fastest? Which is the growth of the fastest? As you seen in this activity. Now further we talk fertilizers. What is the meaning of the fertilizer? What is the uses of the fertilizers? What is the importance of the fertilizers? Fertilizers are the chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrients. How are they different from manure? We discuss further. First, I want to ask you, the fertilizers are produced in factories. And some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and this is the potassium. It is the third one. So here we had seen the fertilizers that prepare into the factories. Not there is the naturally. Now we talk about the manure. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with the nutrients. Manure, it means it is the organic, it is we get by the nature, natural, so it is manure. Now further we see after manure, bacteria. In the previous classes you have learnt about rhizobium. Bacteria, these are present in the nodules of the root of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen fixed by a bacteria, and that fix there is the nitrogen. Now further we talk the difference between the manure and the fertilizers. What is the basic difference? First, as I ask you, the fertilizers that prepared in the factory, while the manure that there is the we get the naturally. So first, especially we focus the manure. Manure are relatively less rich in plant nutrients, while the fertilizers, comparatively fertilizers very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassium. Second one, manures would be more better in the long run because manure containing organic material. Why? Because it is natural. Fertilizers contain chemical substance which when used in excess become harmful to the consumers. Do not cause water pollution. Manure do not cause water pollution, while fertilizers run off from the field also cause the water pollution. It is not costly, manure, and it is costly. Why it is costly, children? Because it is prepared, it is made into the factories. Now we had seen the difference between the manure and the fertilizers. Now move ahead. We proceed towards the irrigation. What do you mean by the irrigation? The supply of water to the crops at a different intervals in the different place at the different seasons. It is called the irrigation. So the time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, and soil season change also. Suppose in summer the frequency of watering is very high, as you know, and why it is so? Because could be the due to the increase the rate of the evaporation from the leaf, and there is a soil, other leaves evaporate water. So children, do you know children, our CBSE textbook, we have the two characters, Paheli and Bujho. Here we talk about the Bujho. Bujho have the one query. Can we solve? Can you solve? Of course, we can solve. Why? Because we had seen what is the irrigation. While not only here in 8th standard, while the 7th standard also. What is the question, Bujhos? We are going to see it. I am very careful this year about watering the plants. It is the Bujho asked. Last summer my plants dried up and died. He asked, dried up and died his plants. Why? He asked this question. So very simple, as we know, due to the rate of the evaporation, very simple, the all plants died and dried up. Now further, what is the sources of irrigation? How we do the irrigation? How we get the water? The sources of irrigation various, such as wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and the canals. Lots of the sources of the irrigations. Now proceed further. Advantages. What is the advantages of the irrigation we are going to see. Establish yield of the crops. It is the main use of the irrigation. Protection from the famine. Famine protection, it means the maybe the drought, maybe the flood. And improvement of cash crop. Yes, we get there is the cash crops. Prosperity of the farmers. Yes, children, when there is a farmer get the good crop, that is they sell and get the good money and they become there is a more prosperous. Now there is the sources of the revenue. Yes, crop is the main source of the revenue. Navigation, hydroelectric power generation get by the irrigation. Water supply, general communication and development of the fishery. Fishery held into the water. So all there is the related relevant to the irrigation. Now further we are proceeding. Traditional method of irrigation. Yes, irrigation have the two method. First is the traditional one, means ancient time. Second one is the modern time. So first we are going to see the old one, ancient time, what our ancestors done, how there is the lift the water. First, the water available in the wells, lakes and canals, it lifted up by different methods in different regions and for taking it to the fields. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods, both maybe the cattle, maybe the human. So these methods are cheaper but less effective. The various traditional ways are, especially today I am going to ask you the four type of the ways. First is the moat. Moat, it means there is the pulley system. It means there is the, it is based on the wheel system. Second is the chain pump. Third is the deckly. Fourth is the rahat. It means the lever system. Now pump are commonly used for lifting water. Yes children, pump are using so many things, but especially here we talk about the lifting the water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and the solar energy is used to run these pumps. Now further we are going to see, this is the diagram, this is the picture. It help you to better understand the moat system. What is the moat system? It is a moat system. It is there is the lifting the water from the well. Now we talk about the second, chain pump. Here is the chain and there is the lifting the water by using it. Now further we proceed. The deckly. Deckly is the also a very famous and ancient method. It is using to lifting water. Here is the pole or heavy things. Now further we proceeding. Rahat. Rahat is also a ancient famous method, but it is all there is a very ancient method. Nowadays there is the modification held, due to that how the latest and modern system come. So what is the latest and modern system come? I am going to ask you. First we talk about the drip and the sprinkle irrigation. Sprinkle and there is the drip system. Sprinkle water and drip system, in the drop by drop we give the water to the plant. Overhead pipes for spraying water and sprinkle system save lot of water. It means economically how we use the water, it is very good system. Are more natural, they however require a pumping system, and these methods are very common in USA, Britain and especially in the India. This is picture shown here, both system. Now further we see the advantages of the sprinkle system. What is the irrigation especially used? There is a sprinkle system. And sprinkle system and the drip system, I will first ask you the advantage, and after that I will ask you which is the more beneficial. First, sprinkle irrigation does not require surface shaping of leveling, can be applied area of variable topography, and flexibility is possible because sprinkler heads are available in a wide range of the discharge capacity. Cost of labor is generally reduced in this method. Erosion of soil can be eliminated. It means there is the very less. Chemical and fertilizers applications are easily used with the sprinkler system, and no special skills trained and personnel can operate the system reasonably well. Now further we are going to see the sprinkle system diagram. Here is the sprinkling, it is seeming, it is the raining. By this diagram now we move ahead and see the drip system. It is the diagram of the drip system. It means drop by drop serving the water into the each plant, and it is time saver also, money saver also. So what is the advantages of the drip system? Increased yield, early maturity. Yes children, here there is a get the properly water, so it is mature very early, so it is beneficial for us. I think it is a boon for us and for the especially the farmer. Now fertilizer saver, increased fertilizer in use efficiency by crop, energy saving, labor saving, and marginal land, and there is adult land can be irrigated. Few hard lands that is also irrigated by it, and reduce weed growth and less problem of disease and pest, and makes intercalary operations easily. Yes, by it so many operations done very easily. Now further weeds. We talk about the weeds. As you know, what do you mean by the weeds? Undesirable, unwanted plant, it is called the weeds. It is very harmful for the crops. So children, we see how weeds can control. Once we check it, once we propagate it, then we can get the good crops, good quality of the crops. So plants are differentiated into crop which meet the need of man, and the weeds can compete with crop. Yes, it also the compete with the main and good crop. So first person to use the word weed in the present day meaning was the Jethro Tull, and subsequently several definitions was proposed. First, weed is plant growing where is not wanted, a plant out of place, a plant that is extremely noxious. Noxious means poisonous and useless, unwanted. Any plant or vegetation excluding fungi and interfering with the objectives or requirement of the people. So from this various definition we had seen, as long as plant is not interfering with human activity, it is called the weed. How we can check it? How we can stop it? How we can propagate it? By the using the few chemicals, and once we use the chemicals, this process is called the weedicide. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals. It is called the weedicide. Example 2,4-D. And these are the sprayed in the field to kill the weeds, and they do not damage the crops. The weedicides are diluted with the water to the extreme requirement and sprayed in the field with a sprayer. Now further we see children, once we use the weedicides, this farmer using the spraying the weedicides. One thing you observe, here there is the wore a mask. Nowadays corona is going on, so we also wore a mask to stop, to ban